Alright, photographers, if you're chasing that perfect cherry blossom shot in Toronto, you're in the right place. The city bursts into pink and white every spring, and I'm about to share the best spots and the timing you need to nail those dreamy photos. First up, High Park. This is the OG cherry blossom destination in Toronto. Massive groves, winding paths, and petals everywhere you look. If you want the classic cinematic look, this is your spot. Go early in the morning, like sunrise early, if you want fewer people in your frame and that soft golden light. Next, head downtown to Trinity Bellwoods Park. It's a bit more chill, but the blossoms bloom along the paths and you get that cool cityscape backdrop. Want to switch it up? Check out Robarts Library at U of T or the Gardens at Exhibition Place. Both have smaller clusters but give you unique angles without the crowds. Now, timing is everything. In Toronto, cherry blossoms usually start popping at the end of April and hit their peak in the first week of May. But these blooms don't last long. Think 5 to 7 days at most. So keep an eye on the weather and check those local blossom trackers. The moment you hear peak bloom, grab your camera and go. If you want petals falling in your shots, super dreamy effect, aim for the last couple days of the bloom. Bring a wide lens for those sweeping paths. And don't be afraid to shoot up into the branches for a totally different vibe. Bottom line, be ready, shoot early, and don't forget to just enjoy the magic, even if you're looking at it through a lens. Happy shooting!